How to fix margins in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change or adjust your Google Docs margin. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I just go to the Google Docs application. Okay, and I just open new file here. Okay, Docs margin. Okay, so here I got the new page, new file, new documents here. So if I want to fix the margin, I can go to the file and go to the page setup, and here you can see, you can select for whole page, whole documents, and you can select for particular page here. For that we need to select the tags on that page. After you select any tags on that page, these options will be visible. Now for now we select for whole documents, and here you can see the margins. In each case you can change the margins from here, like 1 2 3, top, bottom, left and right, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so here you can change the margin, and you can also set as a default. When you change the margin, you can see the option called set the default. Means when you open any documents, or if you when you create the new document, then this margin will be as a default margin for you. Okay, so after done anything, everything, just click on OK. Now margin will be changed. Okay, you can change margin from here also. If you want to change margin, like from screen, just select that blue icon and hold it, and you can change the margin. You can see the top, the margin show like 0.35 25. It's like it is in inches. Okay, so you can change the margin from here. Okay, for left, right, and from here you need to take this icon. Okay, you have to just scroll here, and you have to visible this icon. After you visible this icon, you have to just click and hold, and you can change the margin like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.